Welcome, today I am with AirPods 3 and I'll show you how you can manually connect them with your iPhone. So when you have the problem that you don't have honestly this notification, it not popping when you open the case like that, we can connect them manually. So take a look. We have to go for the settings, find Bluetooth, turn on the Bluetooth, and then we have to rotate the case like that. We have to focus on this part. Let's catch focus at first. Okay, and we have to click and hold this button until this indicator on the front starts blinking on the white color. So let's make it right now. Click and hold it. Take a look on the indicator. It's blinking. So right now we can release, and there it is. We'll find this notification bar right here. So click connect. And as you can see right now, we can click on the skip, tap on X, and right now we are finally connected. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.